This video is going to show how to install the interior tire carrier on a full-size Jeep. And this carrier is going to include hardware for the bottom and also for the top, which is going to mount up here along the rail. And it also includes a bracket for the back to help strengthen it. And you can put up to a 33-inch tall tire inside. And you will be using a drill, and there will be some fuel lines near where you are drilling, so you need to use some caution. And it's going to be a 3/8-inch drill bit, and the hardware is included to mount this. The only thing you will have to buy is lug studs and lug nuts, which you can get in any local auto parts store. To install this, you're going to remove the carpet that is at the base of the wheel well, which you can just pull back. And then you're also going to remove the driver's side inner cargo area panel. And on the carpet, you can just pull that back right here to access it. And then the quarter cargo panel comes out and it just has little clips that hold it in. And on ours, since we have the rear seat belts installed, it's hard to remove that one piece. So in order to drill out, we'll just remove the panel just enough here to the side and bend it a little bit. And as you can see, our panels are old and we'll be replacing them soon, so bending them a little bit doesn't really matter. Now, the first thing you're going to do, of course, is roll back the carpet. Then you're going to remove the driver's side cargo panel. And then you're going to position the tire carrier about 1/2 inch back from the wheel hump where it meets the cargo floor. You're then going to use 2 pairs of vice grips to hold it in place, and then you're going to mark the holes and drill them with a 3/8-inch drill bit. So here we go. We'll go ahead and set this in place. Let's get this in there loosely. Make sure everything is level. Just go down just a hair. Okay, so now we got the tire mocked up. Let's close the tailgate. Make sure we're clear. All right, so we got the tire removed, and we're going to go ahead and start drilling. All right, so we have the tire removed, and we're going to go ahead and remove the C-clamps and the interior tire carrier, and then we're going to go ahead and drill through our marked spots. As we noted before, you will be drilling right above where the fill and vent hoses are. So you want to be very, very careful and drill only as deeply as you need to. So now that we have all of our holes drilled, we have to install the backing plate, which that goes up inside the quarter panel. And I'm going to have mine with the bolts facing out. Then you install the tire carrier. And if yours has decent carpet, of course, down here you're going to have to trim around the mount however you see fit. On ours, we're going to be installing a new carpet kit in the cargo area in the future, so we don't have to worry about that. Let me see if I can get a better shot of that. So, and you can see ours basically is all torn and tattered, so we don't have to mess with that on this one for now, but eventually we will have to trim around it. And I always like to secure these with a nut while I'm mocking everything up. That way it doesn't pop back through. Okay. Okay. Now we have the upper bolts in, but they're loose, and you want to make sure to keep it that way and then go ahead and install the bottom ones as well. That way you make sure everything lines up properly. And once you have everything installed and snugged up, then you can go ahead and continue tightening everything. Okay, now that we've gone through and tightened the bolts on the bottom, we can go ahead and remove our wrenches. And now we can go ahead and tighten the top ones. So here's what it looks like after final installation. And of course, down on the bottom, yours is going to be covered up with carpet, which ours needs to be replaced. We just haven't gotten to it yet. And the last step is going to be to go ahead and install the tire, and then we're done. And here it is after final installation. And you can see it back inside of there. Gives you a nice little bit of room still at the bottom to be able to store stuff. But as you can see, it really opens up the inside versus having a tire just laying straight down on the bottom. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below, or you can contact us at bjsoffroad.com. Make sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.